Hi guys, so once again, welcome back to my channel Innovative Bucket. So today I'm here with a very creative DIY Christmas ideas and we are making wristbands for the kids. So here are the three samples and for making the band, I have used a plastic bottle, empty plastic bottle like this, and you can easily cut it with the help of scissors like this. Since this is a wristband, so I will be taking a small portion of it. For you can also make hair bands with the similar technique. Now I'm just cutting the extra corners or edges so that it is comfortable for the kids. Now I will cut the paper like this in strips so that I can use that strip and wrap around this plastic sheet. Firstly, I will put a ribbon so that you can tie a knot according to the size of the wrist. And now I will cover this ribbon by wrapping these strips around it like this. So there are two reasons why I chose to wrap it like this. Firstly, when it will be bended on your wrist, it will not give you a crumbled look or the paper will not tear off. And secondly, it will become little thick and the kids will be more comfortable. It will not be pointed or anything like that. Now, since my white ribbon is very thick, so first I chose to wrap the paper and then I am putting in the ribbon because it will give it a good finishing. Now, again, in the similar way, I am doing it for the green band as well. Now our bands are ready. Now it's time to draw the stencils, the sticker. For drawing the stickers, I have taken my cutouts according to the size what I wanted, and with the help of the pencil, I have made the design. Now there's no right or wrong in this because the tree can be, it is not, no perfection is needed here. See, now the size is perfect. Now, second sticker is of Santa Claus. So I have drawn a face kind of thing, a beard. I am leaving slight gap in between so that it is easy to cut it out. Now the mustaches, the hat. Yeah. Now I'll quickly cut it out like this. I have also made a Santa Claus bookmark. You can just go and check again. If you've already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. Stay connected. And if not, then please go ahead, like and subscribe my channel. So now I'm cutting the face of Santa like this. This is all we are doing, only the stencil work here. Okay, so in the face also, it is not needed to be particularly round, right? You can do it with the free hand. Where the finishing is needed is cutting the beard, the mustaches, and little furry portion of the hat, this one, like this. So we are keeping our stencils aside, we are keeping them along with their entire portion, because otherwise they're very small and they might be lost somewhere. Now time for the snowman, so I've made it like this and a cap. So snowman, we'll keep it white only because we don't need to, stick it again on something white. So we're going to put a little color later on. So I have made a round, outline around it so that it is more visible. Now it's time for pasting it on the particular color sheets. So tree, oops, it fell, nevertheless. Okay. Next to Santa's face, I'll be taking a pink paper. Okay. Now the next one is Santa's hat. How do you like it? Okay. Perfect. Now for making the snowman's hat, I have chosen a blue sheet because it will give you the blue thing will give you a little cool effect. Now I'll cut this stencil along with the color sheets like this. Perfect. Is my tree looking cute? Okay. Now Santa's face is ready. It's dry now. Now comes its hat. So since we're making all three of them together, so I am just doing it. Okay, this is little big, so I'll just trim the edges a bit. So I am doing it all three together. Perfect. So firstly, we did the bands. We've made the basic structure. Now we are doing with the stickers like this. Okay, so our cute little snowman is almost ready. We'll give a little more finishing touch to it. Santa's beard is here. Nice. Mustaches. Please be on its place. Yes, okay. Perfect. Oops. Okay, it has made my hands very sticky now. The hat and this furry portion of the cap. Perfect. And now eyes. Two little dots. Perfect. Now we'll decorate our Christmas tree also. Oh, okay, so I've given a golden star to Santa's hat. Now I'm pasting little stones on Christmas tree, decorating it a bit. Like it's a little difficult with long nails. Now it's still empty, so I'll just put white paint marker and put some snowy drops on it and a golden star at its top like this. So our sticker is ready. Now it's turn for the snowman. So I am giving it also some silver stones so that it is not looking so blank. Okay. Now time for its nose and I will make a beautiful smile. Oops, the smile is little long, so I need to put a longer nose there. Now I'm giving light little shading to it. So our all three stickers are ready to go on their respective bands. I hope you all are liking it. If you like it and you've not subscribed till now, please go and subscribe my channel. It really takes a lot of effort and means a lot to me. So yeah, I'll put it vertically only so that when it comes on the wrist, it is a straight for the kids. They can enjoy their Santa Claus band like this. It's almost done. We'll keep it to dry. Now the next one is the snowman band. It's looking pretty. I thought it looked little blank, but it's looking very good and classy. Very nice. It's almost there, Mr. Snowman. And now it's time to two are ready. So now it's time for our tree. So for tree, I am putting it on the white paper again because when I tried this green tree on the green band, it was, coinciding with the color of the band. It was not visible. So I have given it a white outline by sticking it on the white hard paper like this. Now it's looking, it's very much visible and it's looking very cute also. So all our three bands are ready. Santa Claus band, Snowman band, and the Christmas tree band is still coming. So please tell me in the comment section if you like my video and which is your favorite band. I hope you all liked my video. Thank you for watching.